Next topic is Prim's algorithm. Okay, so this for this you are going to take this example. Here the condition is, first one is remove all the loops and parallel edges. That is the first condition for us. So what is the loops and parallel edges? Already in Kruskal's algorithm we have seen. So this is the loop and this is the parallel edge for this. So comparing with the weight, 8 and 6 is here. So 8 is having the largest weight, so I am removing. So after removing, we have drawn the diagram here. So in always in whatever question they have given, you first need to remove all the loops and parallel edges. Then you have to draw the diagram separately. Then only you have to start and do. Okay, so first condition here in Prim's algorithm, we need to select any root node. But in Kruskal's algorithm, we did not do like that. We just took the first minimum number. So here in Prim's algorithm, you are going to choose any one root element. So here in this question, I am going to choose A as the root element. Okay, so as your wish, in exam if they give any one particular node to start, you have to start from that node. Suppose in exam they did not give any particular node to start, you itself can consider any one node as the root node and start doing the problem. Okay, so we are going to take A as the root node in our problem. Okay, so from what are the adjacent nodes from A to B and A to C are the two adjacent nodes. So comparing with this both the elements A to B and A to C, which is having the minimum number for the A adjacent elements, A to B only is having the minimum number of weight. So I am going to take that edge. Okay, so I will take it as 7. Okay, then I have to take so now at the place we are here at the B. Okay, here listen properly. So what are the adjacent nodes from B? B to D and B to C. But we did not consider this node for A. Okay, from A to C we did not consider. So this only was small, so we took. So for this again we need to take 8. So three things are here. So this one is completed, right? So this one is still left. So now we are at the node of B. So what are the adjacent nodes? B to D and B to C, and also A to C is there. Okay, so compare 8, 3 and 6, which is having the smallest one. So B to C only is having smallest one. So now we will take this 3. Okay, still this one and this one is there. Okay, always we need to, you just represent with any symbol or else remember in your mind. So now I am going to take this node. Okay, so this is having 3. Then next at the place, now we are at the place of C. Okay, wow. So next from C, what are the adjacent nodes? C to A, C to B, C to D and C to E. Okay, so now what and all we have to consider? C to D and C to E. Then other elements also, B to D is there is one thing, and C to A is also one thing. That is 8. First beginning itself is on A to C, that one is there. So these 4 are there, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Which is the minimum number? 3 is the minimum. So I am choosing this C to E. This route I am choosing. So what is the weight for this? 3. So 3 is completed. Still what and all is there? 8, 6 and 4 also came inside. So 4. These are all there. Okay, still. So from E, what and all places I can visit? E to D, E to F, E to C. So C already written, so I can't write it again. So E to F and E to D is there. Okay, so now what and all routes we have to take? 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. All the things we need to consider. So which is having the minimum number? Both the things is having 2. So any one you can select. So I am selecting this 2. Okay, so I will select this 2. This route is E to F. So I will write it as 2. Okay, so another of comparing all this is taken. So this is also came inside. No one is going to E. So now I will take it as F. So from F, what and all route is here? F to E, F to D. So you should not take, so F to E is completed, so I will take F to D, not like that. Okay, we have to compare with all the elements. Listen, you should not take it as, so okay, we did not complete the vertex of D, so this route is there, no, so we will draw it and complete, no, like that you should not do. You have to compare with all the values, then only we need to draw. So you compare with that. Now 8, 6, 4, 2 and 5 is there. So among this, which is having the minimum? 2 is having the minimum. So I will take this root only. So this is D and which is weight is 2. Okay. So this root is I have taken. So I have completed all the visiting all the nodes. That is I have taken considering of all the vertices. Okay. So we will check the formula. So how many edges we have to have? Edges is equal to V minus 1. So how many edges are there? We will consider in this diagram 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is equal to how many vertices in this graph? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So E dash is equal to 5. So the condition was satisfied. Okay. So that is how we will calculate for Prim's algorithm. Always you need to consider the root according to the functions. Okay, here we should not as like before itself, it should not be a disconnected graph, and also you should see that if it does not forms a cycle. So here also that condition applies, so don't forget. So if loop also should not form, and it should not form a disconnected. So this is an example for the Prim's algorithm. Okay, thank you.